Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a sweet little bear hugging a squishmallow. If you've been following me, you know I love squishmallows, and so this drawing was totally inspired by the fact that I love to hug squishmallows. I don't have a bigger version of the dinosaur that's in this drawing today, but I do have this green frog that I wanted to show you. It's pretty big. Here you go. It's really huge, right? And so what I wanted to show you about this little frog that's super cute is, look, now it looks like a frog. And now it looks like a little green alien. So cute, right? So before I get carried away, get your Sharpie or your pencil and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cute bear, we're going to first start by drawing a curve for the top of the head. So right here, I'm just going to draw a wide curve. And then from there, about right here, I'll stop and draw in an ear. So I'll just come in and out. Another curve, so for the ear. And you can come in here while you're right here and just draw the inside of the ear. So then from there, we're going to continue this curve. So about right here, it's going to pop out. And we're just going to start drawing the bear's head. So right here, let's come down. And continue it down. So we're just aiming to draw this big curve with an ear right here. And then let's continue this down now that we're about the same level. So just work slowly back and forth on both sides. So about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to add a curve that comes out for the cheek. So about right here, I'll stop, pop out a curve, and bring this in, and continue. So we're just aiming about the same curve, same level. Just pretend you're going to be connecting that curve. Okay, so then from there, let's come back up here and about in this area right here, just draw another ear. Just a big curve comes in. And then let's bring this in a little bit more. Okay, so we have the head in now. Let's come in here and bring this sweet little bear to life. So in this area where you added this cheek right here, just come in a little bit, say about right here. Just give yourself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve for the eye. So right here, just draw a little curve. And I'm going to continue. So everything's kind of at this angle. So I'm going to continue this angle. So about right, say right here, I'm going to add another curve for the eye. The other eye right here. So let's make this a little bit longer. There. So then let's come in the center area right here, come down a little bit, and we're just going to draw a little nose. Just darken, kind of like a little triangle. And from there, we're going to come down right in the center and curve up. And you can cap it off. And then on this side, another curve that comes this way. Oh, so happy, right? So there. So just make sure wherever you put the cheek is where you're going to put the eye, and everything's at an angle. And then from there, let's come up here and just very lightly, just going to add two little curves right above the eye. And then when you're coloring it, just give it some cheeks. And so then now that we have that in, let's come over here. So right under this area, we're going to draw a paw for the bear. So about right here. Just going to draw a curve. So we're kind of like drawing an oval. And let's come in here with two little curves. And then, let's see here. About right here. Kind of like where we stopped right there. I'm going to start and draw the other hand. So I say about right here. And draw a curve that comes out. And about right here, I'm going to draw the back. So bring a curve down. And add 2 little lines for the paw. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this Squishmallow in here. So in this area right here is where we're going to add a curve. So right in here, just pop up a curve for the top of our Squishmallow. And then we're going to continue this, imagine it coming down to about right here. And this is going to come down about right here. So we're just aiming to draw that kind of ovalish shape for our Squishmallow here. And just keep bringing this down. So let's see here. I'm going to kind of, let's finish the Squishmallow first. So about right there, I'll just bring it in. And connect it. There. Okay, so now we have that in. Let's finish our bear. So, oh, before I forgot, since I'm doing a Dino Squishmallow, I'm gonna come right here and pop in a tail for our dinosaur first. So about right here, I'll just come in, pop out a little tail, curve it in, and tuck it right in. And then let's finish our bear now. So let's come down with this curve. And we're going to tuck it in a little bit to give him a little bottom. And then pop it out again for his feet. So it's all going to end but the same area and just tuck it in. And then right here, if you want, you can add a little tail. Just a little curve. And let's see here. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the bear. Let's come in and work on our dino right here. So right in the center, I'm just going to add a little curve right here. And maybe 3 more. So a total of 3. For our little spikes right here for our dino. And right here as well. 1, 2, 3. And then let's see, let's bring our little Dino Squishmallow to life. So in this area right here, I'm just gonna come in here and draw a circle for the eyes and another one. So I'm just gonna make sure it's kind of like where the paw is so the paw doesn't cover our eyes. And let's come in with a highlight. So if you've been following me, you know I love Squishmallows. And so that's why I decided to draw this bear hugging a Squishmallow. And a little smile right in the center. So if you love this dino, I did do a video on how to draw it. So please check that out, my Squishmallows playlist. Okay, so there. So then let's come in this area and we're going to draw the tummy. So about right there, I'm just going to draw a big oval. Comes all the way around. There. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this little drawing right here. Now that we're done drawing it, let's color it. So there, hope you guys love my drawing of this sweet little bear and it inspires you to draw it for someone today to put a big smile on their face. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.